This video is going to be all about how my birthday turned into an extremely dramatic day.
I wish you happy birthday.
I'm just happy to be alive. I'm just happy to be safe. Happy birthday. But I almost ate half the cake. Okay, I'm trying to find a camera on my phone that does not have filters. And we were about to enjoy a very nice romantic birthday dinner when it started raining. So, बारिश के बावजूद, I think it is just awesome because मेरी बर्थडे की शाम की इख्तिताम जो है वो जैज़ म्यूजिक से हो रहा है, which is like my favorite all-time music. Streamed in so many different cities. Tickets जो है वो Ticketmaster पर $100 के मिल रहे हैं और आपको सिर्फ पार्किंग लॉट में जाके गाड़ी पार्क करनी है. There's not even a sound system over here. वो आपके रेडियो पर एक फ्रीक्वेंसी है जिस पे ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं. You have to tune into that frequency and that's it. This video is going to be all about how my birthday turned into an extremely dramatic day. Okay, so this birthday is very different from all the regular birthdays. It's because it's happening in Corona times and still places are closed. People are, they don't want to socialize a lot, and I think birthdays are about socializing, at least for me. I remember, I cut like multiple cakes with people at work, people at home, people in the gym, people at the pool, and suddenly there's a time when you're like, you know what, I'm just happy to be alive, I'm just happy to be safe. So it's that time, and it's been a great year. It's been a fantastic year, and the year coming up is gonna be even more fantastic because I have actually been on this journey of self-discovery, and it's taking me places, and I want you to come along with me all these places that I go because it's gonna be a lot of fun. So happy birthday, and this beautiful pink rose. Smell really nice and look really pretty. The cake I had this morning, I can't tell you, I should not, but I almost ate half the cake. Yeah, look at that. Okay, thank you for all the lovely wishes. I'm trying to find a camera on my phone that does not have filters. But guess what? All the cameras on my phone have filters. This is a little different. I think it's like a little bit more natural. It's a filter, but it's a little bit more natural. Okay, so we were sitting out in the outdoors and we were about to enjoy a very nice romantic birthday dinner when it started raining. Like crazy. Now, it's a situation here that the sun is out, the clouds are almost out, but it's still raining. That's kind of my state of mind. So, बारिश के बावजूद, I think it is just awesome because मेरी बर्थडे की शाम की इख्तिताम जो है वो jazz music से हो रहा है, which is like my favorite all-time music. Okay, so welcome to a modern day concert जिसमें कि आप अपनी गाड़ी में बैठ के कॉन्सर्ट देखेंगे सामने एक स्क्रीन पर कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा होगा आपके साथ हज़ारों गाड़ियां खड़ी होंगी और आप अपनी गाड़ी के रेडियो पर एक सर्टेन फ्रीक्वेंसी को ट्यून करके वो कॉन्सर्ट सुन सकेंगे. So this is something very different that I hope it happened BC before Corona, or should I say now is a time which we call PC, post-COVID. This is the new modern day concert, the new normal concerts. Interestingly, artist जो है वो किसी और शहर में परफॉर्म कर रहा है. It's being live streamed in so many different cities. Tickets जो है वो टिकट मास्टर पर $100 के मिल रहे हैं और आपको सिर्फ पार्किंग लॉट में जाके गाड़ी पार्क करनी है. There's not even a sound system over here. वो आपके रेडियो पर एक फ्रीक्वेंसी है जिस पे ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं. You have to tune into that frequency and that's it. Huh. Well, it's okay. The $100 ticket's way too much for something like this. Well, because it's my birthday today, so we got in for free. That's a different story. You need to have a very smart partner in order to make that happen. But I did.
I believe the way